Hello. Say hello.
Oh, shalom.
Shalom, shalom.
Shalom, shalom.
I'm Toy.
I'm Goy.
And we are Toy and Goy, and welcome to our channel. And I wanted to talk to you about something that I realized there is a problem.
Oh God.
When we film the videos, when I am filming the videos, okay,
Yeah.
I'm holding the camera in one hand.
Yeah.
But then, I'm limited
Yeah.
because I have only one hand.
Mm-hmm.
So you said you found me a solution.
I found a series of videos online, which will help Isaac with this. How to film and do something with the other hand. The channel itself is called How To Basic. Some of you probably heard of it. So, this one we've selected for you to see today is how to feed a baby.
Because I'm a parent and I'm supposed to
Now,
understand.
you've raised two babies. You know how to feed a baby.
Yeah.
However, it's always important that in whatever we do in life, there's always room to improve and learn.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you this little video. It's a favourite of mine, an absolute favourite.
So if you are parents out there to small babies, that's what you're saying. And it's about, and you need to feed the baby with one hand and you need to do other things with the other hand.
Sure.
Okay.
And,
I'm
this
kind
was
of intrigued to see how
This
it
was
does
a video, whenever friends of mine have become pregnant or family members, I just bombard them by sending them this video because...
It's going to be a very educational video.
Sure,
Okay.
Sure. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hold on. It's not a baby, it's a doll.
Well, of course it's a doll. It's just for demonstrative purposes. How
And
many
this-
parents would allow their child to be on YouTube?
Where this is going, Ashley?
It's just picking the baby up to feed.
You don't pick up a baby like that. You don't come to a baby like that with your hand.
He's only got one hand, remember? He's filming with the other one.
Yes,
So
but
he's
there
just-
are different angles you can do with your hand. You don't have to show him your fingernails.
This video is about feeding the baby, not lifting the baby, so don't be picky. Come on.
Okay. I'm nervous now.
Important. You know how much mess the child makes. There we go. There's the baby food.
Oh, okay. Okay, so it might be serious then.
Maybe. That's exactly what you did with the twins, wasn't it? Bit more. Oh, that noise. Oh, don't waste any. Don't waste any.
No, stop. He's not done yet. What's the carrot?
Get me 5 a day. Now that is 1 minute 30 that will change your life.
So first of all, don't feed your baby like that. This is not how you feed a baby. Oh my god. And if you are a parent, probably you know that. So is he doing other stuff, crazy stuff like
Yes. Most of his videos involve him throwing food around.
that? Well,
Mr. How To, maybe. Let's.
We will put the link to his channel in our description because I don't know. Probably I will go and explore other interesting suggestions from him.
I remember when my sister became pregnant, and I immediately sent her that video. Like, here you go. Get prepared.
How kind of you. Surely she saw it. Oh, well done. Ashley, it's definitely
very thoughtful thing to send her.
Ashley knows how to feed it.
The thing I can't stand is how filthy his hand gets. The child abuse aside, just watching someone with cake, food, it's disgusting. I can't be filthy and have greasy hands like that. I don't know how he does it. There's some videos where he smashes eggs and he's just... Oh.
So you taught me how to feed a baby.
Yep.
I'll teach you something else now. Because when the kids are getting older, they're going to school and they need to learn languages. So if they are learning English in a country that English is not the native language, that's how you should teach them. So, hold on. I'm assuming, based on first sight of it, she's either Philippine or Thai.
Thai?
No, not Thai.
Thai. She's Thai.
She's Thai.
She's Thai.
She's Thai or Filipino.
She's a Thai lady.
She's a Thai lady. And she apparently she's an English teacher.
Okay, I'm ready for this.
Luckily, it's only 15 seconds. Okay? And she, in 15 seconds, she delivers two very important words.
I'm sorry, I just yawned then and I couldn't. I'm sorry, everyone.
So, she's an English teacher. And in 15 seconds, she delivers a fantastic method of teaching.
Has it helped your English?
Of course. You don't you
Thai.
see?
Thai lady.
Thai lady. So please watch with us. You ready for that? Nature. Nature.
Oh, it's so sweet.
I want to see more videos of her.
Oh.
I wonder if there are more videos of her. I couldn't find. I want to know if you watch this by any chance. Let us know your name, and we would like you to teach us some great English. So Future. So once you've probably after you fed the baby the way you fed them in the previous video, you send them to this school.
We've got the kids sorted for life.
Kids sorted for life.
Yeah. So on the theme of funny internet videos, I've just remembered this gem. Now I need to cover up the top of the thing because YouTube puts the description, so you don't need to see what happens. But this is just.
When was the last time I was blindfolded?
Well. So let me just position my hand. Okay, so you can look.
Can I look?
You can look.
Where?
Haha.
Ja, hallå?
Ja, hallå?
Hej, vet du?
Niklas?
Hej Niklas, vad har du för svar till mig?
Tölp.
What happened?
Woo!
Okej.
Okay.
Jag säger bara så här. Jag måste bara tala om en sak nu.
She's gonna explain.
Jag har mensvärk, måste jag bara tala om för dig. Och jag säger direkt så här, det kan vad som helst hända. Och jag säger bara, det där ber jag om ursäkt för. Men jag måste säga att jag har mensvärk och då kan man må riktigt illa. Och jag säger så här, vad har du för svar till mig?
She vomited live on TV.
Let me say that again.
Yes. Ja, hallå?
Ja, hallå?
Ja, hallå?
Hej, vet du?
Niklas?
Hej Niklas, vad har du för svar till mig?
Tölp.
Then ready for the comeback? Woo! Okay. Ja,
Right.
hallo.
Hello.
Hey, Badoo. Niklas. Hang on. Woo! Okay. From now on in life, when anything goes wrong, that's just the way to deal with it. Woo! Okay.
What have we become? What have we became? If you do like our videos,
If you enjoyed that,
thumbs up.
we certainly did.
Share.
If you enjoy sharing silly things on the internet with people, send us some things you'd like us to react to.
Please.
The more obscure, the better.
Comment below your thoughts about FUTURE future
And how to.
and how to. Yeah, that would be great. And see you.
Maybe we should do a video on how to make a YouTube video. Would you be happy to smash a cake on your iMac?
Well, when we booked the first holiday to Amsterdam, you didn't smash a cake on the iMac, but you did try to sabotage it with tea.
I spilled a cup of tea all over the laptop whilst we were booking a holiday, but it's fine.
Be careful.
It's fine.
Be-
It's still working.
See you guys.
Bitter.
See you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.